Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is Vlogcember day 7 and I wanted to unbox my Boxycharm for the month of December with you guys. I just got this in the mail a few days ago. My box is 0.95 pounds and it is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full size or deluxe size products in here, and in my opinion it's always really worth it. Like, the value of the box is way higher than the price of the box. So I'm gonna link Boxycharm down below. If you guys haven't signed up, I would definitely recommend it. So let's unbox this together and see what's in here. I know there's a couple of different versions for everyone's box. So I have a card here. It says "'Tis the Season" with a flamingo, and then it says everything that's in here and then the price of everything. So I'm just gonna pull out this first thing. This is a Pretty Vulgar packaging. I love this packaging. Pretty Vulgar has really nice packaging on all of their products. So this is what it looks like, and it's called the Powder Room 147 Matte About It. So it's a translucent setting powder, and let's see how much this goes for. This goes for $32, so already way over the price of the box. And I've actually heard really good things about this translucent powder, and I want to try out a new one just because I feel like whenever I set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder, it turns my concealer darker. So I want to give this a try and see how I like it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this or what your favorite setting powder is. Alright, next we have something from Tarte. So this is a glitter lip paint. It goes for $20, and this is in the shade Insta Famous. I love that name. And this one I already looked at. It's really pretty. I haven't swatched it though yet. I feel like this would be a really pretty eye like glitter, but this is what it looks like. It has like little hints of like pink and blue specks of sparkles in there. It looks really pretty. Let's do a little swatch so we can see it better. I don't know if I'd like this on my lips, but I guess it says it's a lip paint, but I feel like this is not going to dry down. I feel like it's going to stay a little bit glossy. Be like a lip topper. So that right there is the lip swatch. I may put a little on just to see what it looks like. It's definitely not going to dry down, I'll tell you that right now. It's just going to stay a little bit glittery. I think dabbing it in the center of your lips would look pretty. I don't know about all over, but we will see. Oh, and it smells really good too. It smells like vanilla. Alright, next we have a product from Cosmetics. This is a detox activated charcoal mask, and it goes for $30. It says it draws out dirt and impurities from your pores, improves the brightness of your skin. I'm going to try this. I love trying out face masks, and it says it's a detox for the nighttime. So apply a generous amount to clean damp skin at night, massage in circular motions, leave on skin for 10 to 15 minutes. So I will try this out. I'll let you guys know how I like it. I've heard of this brand, but I don't know where to get it, so we'll see if I like it. Alright, and then let's see, we have a lip liner in here. So this is from the brand Bodyography, and this is in Heather Berry. I always could use like more lip liners. I feel like I don't have enough lip liners, and my Sephora doesn't carry a lot. We have some from Urban Decay, some from Lancome, some from Sephora Collection, but we don't have a good selection of lip liners. But I haven't heard of this brand, so maybe I'll give this one a try. This one is $12 and it's vegan and cruelty free. So like I said, it's in the shade Heather Berry. Oh, it looks really pretty. It looks like a mauve. I thought it was going to be a little bit deeper, but I'm glad it's not. So it looks like a really pretty, nice, neutral mauve. Alright, the last thing we have in here is an eyeshadow palette. They always throw an eyeshadow palette in here. This is from the brand Prestige. Suva Beauty. That's the brand. Suva Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this palette goes for $34. Warm and cool tone palette, featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. So this is the outside of the packaging, and then this is the inside. It does look really pretty, and it looks like you can create a couple of different looks with this. So this is the one that I got. So it looks like you could create a look with the top row and then the bottom row, and then there's 2 highlighters on the side. They look really nice. I kind of want to swatch this structure because it looks like a really pretty like shimmery mauve. Ooh. Wow. It's very creamy and pigmented. That looks really nice. Let's swatch another one. Let me swatch Balance, which is more of that coppery warm tone. Oh, it's nice. It's a little bit more powdery than that first one, but that is what it looks like right there. And then let's swatch this highlighter. I want to swatch Era, which is like a light golden, because that looks really nice. These are a little bit powdery, to be honest, though. Getting a little kickback. Ooh, but it looks, can you see it? It looks like a really blinding highlight. Tiny bit powdery, but you can still see it. Very, very pretty. So that's like a light golden. All right, and that is everything that is in my Boxycharm for the month of December. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will link Boxycharm down below in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.